Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just showing y'all a little preview of what's to come. Nah, son, that's OD. Let me rewind that back. Do y'all see the melt? Do y'all see the melt? Nah, keep watching this video to see the melt, bruh. Nah, that's OD. So as you can see by the title of this video, I will be showing you guys how I watercolored and installed this wig from Tinashe Hair. The specs on this hair are as follows. This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It's 20 inches and the style is in deep wave, and it's also 180% density. This wig, as you can see, is very curly. It comes with an elastic not elastic, but it comes with an adjustable strap where you can adjust it to fit the size of your head, but I ended up not using it. And it also has 4 combs inside of the wig, which come in handy for security. And yeah. And they also gave me another bag with a bonnet inside, some papers, lashes, and a wig cap. But the bonnet was a little too tight, so I don't really like wearing it. To watercolor this hair, I used the Cajun spice color from Adore. I wanted to have like a orangey brownish like outcome, so I just lightly bleached the hair. As you can see, it was a little brown, and I dipped it in the mixture. I dipped it a few times just so that the color could, you know, absorb fully into the hair. And then I let it sit for like 30 minutes. And you can tell when all the color is absorbed, because when you take the wig out of the water, the color of the water should be significantly lighter than how you started it. As you can see, the water is brown, but when we started, it was really dark. So yeah, that's all I did really. But yeah, I'm just prepping my skin with some alcohol. And look at the color. The color's a little bit dark because it's kind of wet. But you'll see in the video when my hair starts to dry up. You can see the color more when it's dry. It gave me like orange, burnt orange vibes. Yeah. But right here, I'm just cutting out the ear tabs, because that part covered my ears. And how you gonna wear your wig with your ears covered? You're not gonna be able to hear nothing, and you're gonna look dumb. Like, who walk around with their ears covered because of their wig? That's so 2019. Anyways, we're gonna get right into the gluing part. So all I did was use the glue. I did like 3 layers of the bold-toed. I think this is bold-toed active. Yeah, bold-toed active. And I used 3 layers, I believe. This is my first layer. Yeah, so just watch me put my first layer on. And then after I was done with that, I just let it sit. I let it dry completely after I did all 3 layers. As you can see what I'm doing here, I let it dry. Clear, make sure that it's clear before you apply the next layer. Yeah, so it's all clear. Then I put my wig on top of the clear The clear. Remember, clear. It has to dry clear before you apply another layer, and then 3 coats, and then apply the wig. Make sure it's clear. And then once you apply the wig, you make sure you press the wig into the glue. Don't, like, it looks like I'm pressing it really hard, but I'm really not. Like, I'm being very gentle. Make sure that you're gentle when you're pressing the wig into the glue. And then I just cut off the lace. Sorry if I sound crazy, but I just came off of a cold. I'm kind of still cold. I kind of still have a cold, yeah. But that's what delayed me from uploading this video. I was supposed to upload this video January 1st, but I just couldn't because my voice was crazy. But I'm feeling a little bit better now, so send me some prayers, y'all. But yeah, I'm just doing the same thing, cutting the extra lace off while pressing the wig into the glue for extra melt. And honey, do you see how as I'm cutting, it's just laying? Like, do you see how it's just melting into my skin? If your wig is not looking like this in 2020, you have to reevaluate your life. Because at this point in the game, you can't be coming to 2020 looking crazy. For real. That's why I'm here. I'm here to show y'all how to look good, how to lay your wig. That's it. Now we all cut, we all done. And any extra pieces that did not get any glue on it, you want to go back and put the glue on. And yeah, make sure that all the lace is laid. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here. I also forgot to mention that before I even applied the wig, I made sure that I tinted the lace so that it matched my skin complexion. You always want to make sure that you tint your lace because the lace doesn't come in a skin tone that matches dark skin ever. So just make sure you tint your lace. Whether you're dark skin, light skin, it's always important to tint your lace. And now we on to the baby hairs, my favorite part. I know mad people say, oh, I don't like baby hairs. I don't care. If you don't like baby hairs, exit this video because I love baby hairs. You can't tell me nothing about my baby hairs. So I'm going to show you how I do my famous baby hairs. So all I do is just I part out the whole front section of my wig. And you want to make sure it's thin, okay? You don't want to part out mad hair in the front because those thick baby hairs, you got to leave that in 2019. We in 2020 now. Thin baby hairs only because natural baby hairs do not look thick. Natural baby hairs look thin. And I just sprayed a little got to be free spray on my edges, and I'm going to let that set for a little bit, you know, like I did with the glue. When I was waiting for the glue to dry, I just let it sit there, and I'm gonna let it sit for like I say 5 minutes, but of course not in the video because that would have been a long video, so I had to speed everything up. But I'm letting y'all know I let it sit for like 5 minutes. Yep. As you can see, letting it sit. But as I was waiting, I had cut the baby hair shorter. Just, you know, just to cut off time. And now I'm going to take my band off. Voila. Look at that. Melt. Melt, honey. Melt, melt. Melt. So here, I'm just cutting the hairs a little short because the key to good baby hairs, it has to be short. You can't have no long baby hairs. Like, don't cut your baby hairs long and expect it to lay good. So here I'm taking my little spoolie because that's how I get my baby hairs to be looking snatched. I use the spoolie. I don't use the rat tail comb no more. The rat tail comb is in a garbage with the baby hairs. I use a spoolie. Spoolies just give me more precision because do you see the preciseness, the preciseness of the baby hair? It's just whoop-de-doop-de. So we're going to take some more got-to-be gel, and we're going to swoop another baby hair. Swoop. See that swoop? This swoop is so easy. You put the gel on the baby hair, and you swoop. Do you see that swoop action? Like, it's all in the wrist. If your wrist if you ain't putting in the wrist work, you're not going to get the baby hairs that you need in life. In 2020, we only need lit baby hairs. None of that raw baby hair stuff. Only cute baby hairs, okay? So we're going to do it again. We're going to swoop. Do you see that? Swoop. Now I'm going to speed it up because at this point, y'all should see. Y'all should have saw what I did. And y'all should be experts. Maybe you could watch the video like 10 times to be an expert, but you get what I'm doing. You see what I'm putting down. This cold is killing me. But yeah, so just enjoy the rest of the video. I'm not going to take too much of y'all time. Just watch what I do, and that's it. So I'm signing off. Bye, y'all. See y'all at the end of the video. I lied, I'm back. So I'm just going to talk about the hair. So when I bleached the hair at first, it definitely lost a little bit of the curls, I want to say. But not so much. Like, as you can see, the hair is still curly. And all I'm doing here is just wetting the hair with water inside of a spray bottle. And I'm applying a lot of body setting moves to the hair as well. Nah, I can't even finish what I'm saying, because do you see the melt? Like, that's mad distracting to watch the melt and not speak on it. Wow. But anyways, back to what I was saying. Yes, so when I bleached the hair, it did lose a little bit of its curl, but nonetheless, it still was curly and it wasn't dry. So I do give Tinashe a thumbs up on the softness. Like, this hair is really soft. Even after I bleached it and even after I did the watercolor method, the hair was still soft and the curls are still there. It's not as curly as it was in the beginning, but the curls are definitely still here. And the hair is very lustrous. Like, as you can see, this is the natural shine of the hair. I just really like this wig. Honestly, I don't know if this color is for the season, but me, I don't care about what season it is. If I want a particular hairstyle, that's what I'm going to do. Like, if you guys want to see more colors, you know, just let me know what color y'all want to see. Comment down below. And yeah, so Tinashe Hair gets a thumbs up for me. If you want to order their hair, by all means, it's very affordable and you get an approval from me. So Tinashe Hair gets an approval from me. Especially the curly hair is great, good quality, and expensive. All three things you need in 2020. Peace, y'all.